Hi viewers, Amarnath, Small Steps Trader channel. So today currency we will see in detail. First we start currency spot rate, which is RBI reference rate. According to RBI reference rate, today USD INR is 82 rupees 53 paise and JPP 105.34 and Euro 90 rupees 64 paise, Yen 57 rupees 80 paise. So this is about spot rate and about the currency future. See, today it's all are green. So that's why I said you always will all are green. So this is quite unusual. Usually, what happens? USD if goes positive, Euro and GBP goes in the opposite direction. Very rarely, marginally, they will go in one direction. But if you say today, all the four are quite significant movement in the same direction. So this is quite unusual. It's very funny also. We'll say the currency charts. The first one is the USD INR chart. USD INR gap opened with a gap of 99 paise, 9 paise. And then keep on it gradually moved till 3 o'clock. This is a gradual move. Then small correction like 5 paise. That's it. But at the end, if you see, it is ended with 31 paise in the upside movement. It's quite a big move because USD always the in whole day volatility will be in average is 20 paise. But it's but beyond that, it closed with 31 paise in the upper side. It's a big difference. It's a very big move, we can say. According to the 1 hour chart, it's in very good in the upper side momentum. Last two session and the last yesterday also I told this last two session it was in the sideways movement and forming a triangle. So which side it breaks, that side will be in huge move. Yesterday I told that. So today that's what had happened. In the upper side it broke and it gave a very big upper side movement. Then we will say JPY INR. It's a marginal 8 paise minus it open, but since then it very gradual upper side movement until 2 o'clock. The movement was in the upper side only. There is no sign of downside. But after 2 o'clock, there was a correction from 58.35. It came down to 58.15. 20 paise it has corrected from the upper side. So at the end, it closed with the 23 paise in the positively it closed. So usually this will be 25 to 30 paise general volatility. So today quite big volatility and ended with a 23 paise in the positive side. 1 hour chart. So this gap was the unexpected central bank data. I mean, they corrected some monetary policy, so that is unexpected. That had happened. To my view, this go in further upcoming session. It go in the upper side. Let me see what happens. So according to the indicator, both the DMA are above 20 line, so it is indecision zone. But to my view, this probability this go in the opposite. Let me see tomorrow or day after tomorrow the direction may confirm. Euro INR. So it opened with 14 paise gap up, and after that it was a gradual up move only. So until 1 o'clock, it reached the peak. From then on, there is a small correction from 90.92. It came down to 90.75. Around 20 paise corrected. Then at the end, if you see it closed with 32 paise in the opposite. So 47 paise is the whole volatility. It's normally this is normal volatility we can say, but 32 paise closure is quite a significant opposite movement. So 1 hour chart. So as the 1 hour chart, to my view, this is still in the sideways. We can say this is the sideways. Sorry. So this don't have to grow. So this today, this 32 paise plus is just touching the uh, channel resistance. So next session, whether it breaking the upper side or again to the channel it come down, we have to see it. So whenever the channel breaks, then only the next move will come. But the next move will be quite huge. If you see the indicator, the both the DMI at present it in the above 20 line, but the ADX is below 20. So whichever DMA comes below 20 and ADX crosses over that, so whichever DMA is in the upper side, that side the movement will be huge. If it is the plus DMA in the upper side, the positive movement will be very big movement. Or if the minus DMA is in the upper side, the downside fall would be quite big. Let us see. In the upcoming session, we will come to know that. GPP INR. So GPP INR also it opened almost a flat we can say, but then on it was a very big good movement. Had a volatility of 50 paise. Around 2 o'clock on there was a correction of around 20 paise. Then small recovery at the end if you see 23 paise it is positively ended similar to euro. If you see the 1 hour chart again similar to euro, this you can say it's like triangle. So this has to break at either side. It almost similar to euro only. Euro there's a rectangle channel, but this looks like a triangle. But whatever it may be, it's in the sideways. So according to the indicator, it very much similar to the euro. So both the DMI are in the just above 20 line, and ADX is well below 15. So whichever DMA comes, whether it is positive or minus DMA comes, and it crossovers that, whichever DMA in upper side, it will move that way very hugely, very similar to euro, because both almost all the time euro and GPP move in the same direction. The important dollar index. So presently dollar index almost we can say 102. Since last couple of hours, it is in the triangle form in the sideways movement. There is a lot of possibilities it move in the upper side only. So that's what the indicator also says. The minus DMI below 20 line, plus DMI above 20 line. So there is a possibility it may continue. If you see the first chart, weekly chart, that also says same thing. So it is now in the direction to touch the channel resistance. So that would be 102.50. So I'm keep on saying since last couple of sessions, it may go till 102.20. So the direction also shows the same thing. We will see in the next couple of sessions it touches or not. So all this is all about currency. So this video is for learning purpose. So don't take any trading or investment decision based on this. Always do your study and analysis and take your own decision with the guidance of your SEBI registered advisor. See you in next video. Until then, bye bye. Thank you.